You called me to the gate, and I came running here. But it wasn't just you, it was an army of wolves. I almost opened the gate, it took me so long to realize. But through all the howling, I still hear your quiet lies. Ragged fur and sharp claws, slithering fangs and dark maws, violent hearts and soft paws. You cannot stand alone, you do not stand at all for anything or anyone, just howling in the darkness, red in tooth and claw. This is not nature, not some unstoppable thing. These are your wolves at my gate. A vanguard of violence, leading at the front of the pack, pretending at the alpha, but they're snarling at your back. What have you unleashed? Power without imagination, playing at animal instinct, receding from civilization. Ragged fur and sharp claws, slithering fangs and dark maws, violent hearts and soft paws. You cannot stand alone, you do not stand at all for anything or anyone, just howling in the darkness, red in tooth and claw. This is not justice, not revenge, nor reprobation. These are your wolves at my gate. You've broken the branches, uprooted in your confusion, frothing with fearful grins, seeding infectious delusion. A scent of danger, hip intention, the pack fulfilling your every need. Watch a frenzied full attention, shrieking against my creed. Ragged fur and sharp claws, slithering fangs and dark maws, violent hearts and soft paws. No more a monster then. I counted on you once, now you count my hours. A dream, a discord, we used to play at dragons. We sang our twisted myths, an answer, no redress. You cannot stand alone, I will not let you in, just howling in the darkness, just howling alone. You cannot stand alone, you do not stand at all for anything or anyone, just howling in the darkness, red in tooth and claw. This is evolution, the strength we cultivate. These are your wolves at my gate.